how to add or embed YouTube videos on Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add or embed YouTube video on Wix website. So the first thing to do is to sign in into your Wix account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you would have to go to your Wix editor by clicking on the design site icon located by the right side of the screen. Once you click on it, to be directed to your Wix website editor. Just wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, click on the add element icon located by the left side of the menu. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Ensure you select video and music. So once you've selected video and music, you will see single video players, Wix video, video box, etc. Okay, just click on this single video player. So once you click on this, you would see some templates, video upload, YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Our focus is on YouTube. Okay, so just click on the YouTube video this way, long press on it, and then drop it on the page, just like that. So once you've dropped it, you would see YouTube video here. So you can change the direction by moving it to any parts of the screen of your choice. And then next thing for you to do is to click on the change video option here. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to input your video web address. So the next thing for you to do is to input your video, your YouTube video URL in the box selected here. Just input it in, and then if you want it to autoplay, to play in loop, set it the way you want, and then input a video description and what the video is all about, and then you can check out video the video to play, etc. So once that is done, you cancel this and then click on the save icon. Once you click on the save icon, all of your settings, including your YouTube video, will be saved automatically on your Wix website. So this is how you can add or embed YouTube video on Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.